So today I've just used an old plastic lid and repurposed it into a bird table. So the piece of wood that I've screwed it to the upright, I can unscrew to take the plastic lid off to clean it. And so it's added to my other homemade bird tables, or bird feeding station. Let's hope it works. It's got the cover of one of my privets that I've let grow and grow and grow into a tree. So yeah, let's see what happens. So just to give it a bit of perspective, you can see where it is. So it's there. Sorry, it was focusing on my finger, but the side of my shed is there. There's a bird bath there, and then there's sort of 3 feeding stations, plus I've got a hook on one of the posts that I can hang a bird feeder to as well. And it's all in one place, and it's shaded, and the birds can get away if they need to, because that fence has got the spikes on the top to stop the cats from getting in. It seems to be working because I've not had any problems with cats since I've put it up there. Not that I don't like cats, I just don't want them killing my birds. Right, go backwards and pull out, you can see. So that's where it is in relation to everything else. Pond is down here, side of the shed. I'm still waiting for a bird to use the bird box. I'm not sure whether it's facing the wrong, it's facing, so it's the same way as my polytunnel, so facing east to west. So the back of the box is west and the front of it is facing east. I don't know if that's good or bad. Perhaps somebody will let me know. Okay. So I've transplanted my asparagus into one of the boxes by the side of the polytunnel, and I've covered it. I don't know whether I need to cover it, but there is an aubergine in there as well. And it seems to be working, because this is like a small raised container. The blue tubes, I had them parallel, but I've actually crossed them over and put the net over. Help these goji berries that I've just transplanted into this bed. So yeah, it's just I mean, if you didn't already know, this is definitely a better way to put your pipes if you've got a small raised bed, because they hold up, they stay up better. Right, what else can I show you? Courgettes, Mahusiv. I've had quite a few off of here. I've got another one here, and another couple coming, and then the one next to it is the round one. I've had a couple off here already. I've got another one coming here, and another one here. Not had a humongous amount of stuff of courgettes, but that's how this year has been, I think. The raspberries are going hell for leather now, but I've not had much fruit off them. sunflower is a lot taller. Wildflowers are looking good. Like I said, the lawn I've left, I'm leaving it as long as I can. Even the dog gets lost in it now. I said I was going to move these teasel, but I haven't. They're huge. And the baby blue pumpkin, I'm not sure that I'm actually going to get any pumpkins from here, but I'll just leave it to carry on. You never know. And the one on the other side, the same, got a flower on there, but I'm not holding out much hope. Roses are doing good. I'm getting quite a few roses on this. This is the newest one, the one that I bought earlier this year. But once everything dies down, this bed is going to be cleared of the bulk of the stuff, and I'm going to redo it and put my roses in there. So it's right next to the pond. Yeah. Pond is doing well. The baby fish are really thriving, but they're so quick. By the time I get my camera out there, they've gone. They seem to be hiding under these are the, if you can see, the big fish are there underneath that water lily leaf. I think all the baby ones are all down low or hiding under the water lilies leaves. Right, I'm going in for a drink, and I'm going to watch out of the window to see if any birds come to the feeder. Speak to you soon. Bye for now.